And I will never get Botox. Alam mo, marami nagtataka kung ilang taon na ako. And whenever they try to guess my age, they're usually guessing about 1 decade to about 2 decades younger than my real age. And pag nalaman nila ilang taon na ako, ang tinatanong nilang sunod is, ano ba yung sikreto ko to having a youthful appearance? So if I were to try to summarize kung ano ba yung sikreto para sa pagiging bata yung itsura, it's this: having a healthy lifestyle, which includes a healthy diet and exercise. On top of that, importante din na healthy yung mindset mo. Kasi kung lagi kang stress, ang dami mong problema, ang dami mong iniisip, nakakatanda talaga yun. Ngayon gagawan lang ako ng isa pang video that explains all of my routine and what is my secret to staying youthful. Pero ang nagagawa lang nun is to delay the aging process. Para sa ganon, you will age gracefully. And one of the questions na palaging tinatanong sa akin is, may pinagawa ka ba? Nagpa-botox ka ba? O kaya may ginawa kang skincare treatment? At nagugulat yung mga tao pag sinasabi kong I've never gotten any skincare treatment done. I've never had Botox. And I will never get Botox. At alam mo kung bakit sinabi kong I will never get Botox? Kasi grabe naman yung mga ambassadors for mga skincare treatments. Nakita mo ba yung mga itsura nila? Oh my God, most of them look so bad. Most of them look like aliens. Most of them hindi mo na nga ma-recognize dahil sobrang lala nung ginawa nilang mga skincare treatments. Yung ang tataba na ng mga labi, puffy na yung mga cheeks, maga yung mata, lahat-lahat na. I mean, you know what I'm talking about. You've seen all of these faces. At dito ko na-realize na ito pala yung minority. Karamihan pala ng mga gumagawa ng mga skincare treatments tulad ng Botox ay hindi mo napapansin dahil sobrang galing nung pagkagawa na hindi nila sasabihin sa'yo na nagpa-Botox sila o kaya nagpagawa ng kahit ano pang skincare treatments sa mukha nila. Pangalawa, lalaki ako. You know how many times I've heard that reasoning, and I myself said that at one point na lalaki ako kaya hindi ako magpapagawa ng mga skincare treatments dahil pambabae lang yan, hindi para sa mga tunay na lalaki. Boy, was I wrong. Secretly, alam mo ba maraming mga kalalakihan are actually getting a lot of skincare treatments done. And there's nothing wrong with it. It's actually more common than a lot of people think. Alam mo, I take pride in the fact that I look youthful naturally. Na wala akong pinagawa sa mukha ko to be able to maintain a youthful look. At isang araw, napansin ko na parang lumalalim na at lumalala na yung mga wrinkles sa mukha ko. At naisip ko, no matter what you do, hindi mo talaga mapipigil yung paglalabas ng wrinkles at pagtatanda mo. At doon ako kinausap ng Clinique de Paris at doon in-explain sa akin yung dalawang bagay na pwede kong gawin para ma-improve yung appearance ko. So, ang ginagawa daw ng Botox is that it blocks the nerve signals para hindi mag-contract yung muscles and therefore, madidiminish yung mga lines. It made sense. And I ate my own words because a few weeks back, I finally got Botox. And yes, nakita ko talaga yung difference before and today. Grabe, ang galing ng Botox. At sa lahat na nakakita sa akin, walang may alam na nagpa-Botox ako. Actually, they call it Brotox kasi it's Botox for men. So yan ang ginawa ng Clinique de Paris sa forehead ko and sa side ng face ko. Tapos nun, yung pangalawa kong pinagawang treatment is called Profhilo. At ano ba yung Profhilo? Well, ito yung pagkaintindi ko niyan. Hyaluronic acid is a great moisturizer to be able to nourish the skin. Now, most hyaluronic acids are topical. Pero itong Profhilo is injecting the hyaluronic acid underneath the skin. Apparently, ang nagagawa nito is actually helps collagen production in the skin and makes your skin look more youthful and radiant. Nung narinig ko yan, sabi ko, sige, I'm willing to give it a try. Unang-una, mamarkahan nila kung saan nila i-inject yung Profhilo sa mukha ko. Pagkatapos nun, ready na kami mag-umpisa. But before we start, they're going to first scan the QR code sa box para ipakita na verified yung product mo at first time palang gagamitin. Ang maganda dito ay hindi mo pwedeng i-scan yung same product twice. Magpapakita siya ng error message. Now, ready na mag-start and eto na, i-inject na nila yung Profhilo sa mukha ko. And with the topical anesthesia plus the ice, it was bearable naman. So yung Profhilo treatment na ginawa sa akin is anything from my eye level all the way to my neck. At in-inject nila yung Profhilo sa mga iba't ibang parte ng mukha ko where they feel it needs it the most. And you know what? I'm very impressed with what I saw because I'm looking at myself today compared to about a month ago, and there's a big difference. Although it's a subtle difference, yun yung maganda doon. Nagtataka na lang yung mga tao why I look more radiant, why I look more youthful, and what is my secret. Alam mo yung tinitignan ka and they can't put their finger in it and they're just like, wow, you have good skin or you look really good. And that's when I realized that it's working. At kailangan mo ng 2 session na itong Profhilo treatment to be able to see the full effect. Pero ako, I only opted for 1 right now and I was really happy with the results. Pero the combination of the Botox on the forehead and on the side of my face plus yung Profhilo on the lower half of my face looks really, really good. Tuwang-tuwa talaga ako nung nakita ko yung sarili ko. At marami nakapansin nga that I look a little bit more radiant, a little bit more youthful, pero hindi na alam kung bakit. At doon ko nalaman na talagang effective itong treatments na to. At alam mo isa natutunan ko talaga dito, never say never because you never know what's gonna happen in the future. Okay, ngayon, tignan mo sarili mo sa salamin and look at yourself and ask yourself, do you have a lot of wrinkles? Do you want to look more youthful? Do you want to look more vibrant? Kung ang sagot doon ay yes, tawagan mo na yung Clinique de Paris and find out how they can help you look more radiant and more youthful.